the creator of Bitcoin found a way to engage people to earn Bitcoin units, which are called blocks. And in mining, people compete by solving complex math puzzles online or on their computer. So as of November 2018, the reward for completing a block was 12.5 Bitcoin, which equals the price of $10,000, meaning they would earn around $125,000 for completing a block or mining a block of Bitcoins. People are users, the users are miners, and these miners get paid for their work as auditors. They are doing the work of verifying previous Bitcoin transactions, and they help prevent double spending from users. These people are also minting currency, which on the dark web would be illegal or is illegal, and therefore causes a lot of issues in actual currency in relation to the legalized US currency and international currencies.